Good evening guys and welcome back to the channel. Here we have another circular from the CBSE, and as you can see, this is of date given over here, date 3rd June 2021, circular number 38/2021, and it has been sent to all the head of the all institutions affiliated to CBSE, means all the CBSE school, and the subject of this is the promotion and the development of skills among the school students. But before we go ahead, here I would like to tell you that CBSE has recently started. Okay, means soon the CBSE is going to start. I mean to say, from the next academic session, that is 21-22, the school is going to start new courses, that is the coding and data science. Okay, the two new subjects which in the new curriculum you will find. Okay, so government wants this to implement in all the CBSE affiliated school, and this information has given by Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal. He's tweeted on this on Friday, and this is the official notice for it. So let's see what it says. Okay, as it is very big, so we are not going to read everything, but just initially, and then I will read out the main points for you guys. So it says the National Education Policy 2020 aims to address the many growing development imperatives of our country. This policy proposes the revision and revamping of all the aspects of the education structure, including its regulation and governance, to create a new system that is aligned with the aspirational goals of 21st century education. National Education Policy 2020 has laid stress on skilling of the students. So NEP 2020 has recommended that by the year 2025, at least 50% of learners, okay, through the schools and higher education system should have exposure to the vocational education, for which a clear action plan with the targets and timeline will be developed. Okay, CBSE is committed toward the development of the skills in schools students and aims to develop the good human beings capable of rational thought and action, possessing compassion, empathy, courage, resilience, scientific temper, and creative imagination with sound ethical mooring and values. It aims at making the engaged productive and contributing the citizens for building an equitable, inclusive, and the plural society of envisaged by our country or by our constitution. Okay, anyway, this is not so important here. If you look at the current scenario, so currently the board offers the 9 skill modules at middle school level and 18 skills at the secondary level and 38 at the senior level, to upgrade the skills of and the proficiency of the young generation and exposure the various career options available. The list of the skills subjects may be given in the annexary 1, 3rd and 5th respectively. More than 20 lakh students are presently studying skill subjects at secondary and senior secondary level in approximately 12,000 CBSE schools. Complying with the recommendation of the National Education Policy and its commitment to the promotion development of skills and students, CBSE has taken the following initiative from the session 21 and 22. So now guys, here this is the important, that what are the initiative taken by the CBSE. So we are going to discuss them one by one. The first initiative by CBSE is the introduction of the coding as a skill module. So coding is a creative activity that the students from any discipline can engage in. It helps them to build a computational thinking, develop problem solving skills, critical thinking, and exposure to the real life situation to solve issues in the various realms. Therefore, coding is being introduced as the skill modules of the 12-hour duration in class 6 to 8. Okay, the idea is to simplify the coding learning experience by nurturing designing thinking, logical flow of ideas, and blah 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 stuff, right? The faculty of the student handbook have been created with the support from Microsoft, so that the student can work on applied project and integrate coding across the multiple subject and make the learning fun. Okay, faculty resources will empower the faculty of the teaching these concepts. The handbook cover real life examples in coding. Okay, so the important thing here is the CBSE is going to start the coding. They are going to introduce the coding for classes, that is your 6 to 8. Okay, that will be the introductory part over here. Okay, next thing, it says the introduction of the data science and skill module and skill subject. So this is also the second subject which the CBSE is going to introduce. So in today's world we have the surplus of data, and the demand for learning data science has never been greater. The students need to provide a solid foundation of data science and technology for them to be industry ready. The objective of this curriculum is to lay the foundation of data science, understanding how the data is collected, analyzed, and how it can be used in solving problems and making decisions. It will also cover the ethical issues and the data, including data governance, and builds foundation of our AI-based application of data science. Thus, data science is being introduced as a skill module of 12 hours in classes 8 and as a skill subject in classes uh, 9 to 12. Students and faculty handbook and teaching material have been created and with the support from Microsoft. Okay, the next point is all about the fee, that how they are going to charge the fees thing, right? So waiving of the application fee to give the impetus to the skill education, to give the importance to the skill education in the school. It has been decided as CBSE to waive off the application fee. Means there will be no application fee for introducing the new skill subject at the senior schools level. Thus, the schools desirous of introducing the skills subject at class 11 can also do without submitting any fee to CBSE, okay, with effect from the date of release of this circular, that is 3rd June. And then uniformity in the marks distribution should be there, okay, that is the. So when we talk about the uniformity in the marks distribution, so in order to create the uniformity in the marks distribution, all skill subject, okay, it has been decided that with effect from session 21-22 class 11, the marks distribution of the skill subject being offered by the board at the senior level shall be 60 marks for theory, including the 10 marks for employability skills and 40 marks for the practical. So now the new pattern will go like the 60 marks of the theory and 40 marks for the practical project. However, the present class 12th, that is for session 21-22, there is no changes in the marks distribution. The revised marks distribution shall be effective from class 12th session of year 22-23. Okay, next point is application for the introducing the skill subjects module. As per the revised affiliation bylaws of the board, a school does not have to apply separately for introducing any additional subjects, including a skill subject. The school shall fill the details in the Oasis platform of CBSE site form and provide the required detail. Okay. Further, it says for curriculum, study material, textbook, sample question paper, and the previous year question paper of the various skill subject modules being offered by CBSE. This is the link they have given. One can visit this link, and for any queries related to this, one can write an email to this. All right, and here it is given the signature of our Dr. Bishwajit Shah, Director Skill Education and Training of CBSE. So thank you very much for watching the channel. Have a nice day.